This year we have got a bumper crop of blackcurrants down here in Cornwall. They are just loving this weather. So I have been busy picking them every evening after work, and the last batch I put to very good use by making these delicious blackcurrant and ginger flapjacks. I hope you give them a go. So first up, gently simmer the blackcurrants and water together in a small pan with a lid. After about 5 minutes, they'll have broken down and started to release their juices. And at this point, you can scoop them into a sieve over a small bowl and let them drain and cool. In a large pan, melt together the butter, sugar and golden syrup. Tip in the oats and the chopped ginger and mix till everything is well combined. Line the baking tin with baking parchment and tip in half of the oat mixture. You're going to flatten and firm this down with the back of a spoon, and then add the mashed blackcurrants and spread those into an even layer too. Finally, top with the rest of the oaty mixture and flatten and firm once again. Bake in a preheated oven for about 25 minutes. Remove, cut them into 12 with a blunt knife, and then leave them in the tin to cool. Mix the reserved blackcurrant juice with enough icing sugar to make a very thick sauce. Drizzle over the flapjacks and enjoy.